Hello guys, hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now still me now, Ada Universe TV. If you know so you never subscribe to my YouTube, I beg you could hit that button when it says subscribe. The matter when I carry come today now about the video when I come across about this other 13 or 14 years old girl. She dey carry something put for pikin food. I don't want to call the name. She dey carry something put for pikin food. The pikin go turn RIP. My people, when I see this video, I say, wetin dey happen for our country, Nigeria? Kidnappers, they do their own. Armed robbers, they do their own. Person go there for house, carry a newborn baby for hand, give neighbor another problem. I beg my people, make una dey very, very careful. For the kind person when I go live on our children for, especially those pikin when we fit start to dey talk. We be say something happen to them, no go fit talk. I go allow na watch it, I go show na this video now. I go show na this video where this girl for the confess. And according to the information, they say this girl don't do this thing before. How much they pay this girl? A girl person will they pay her money to do these things. It's in at 20,000. Now they pay him to put something for new baby's food. If you put something for their food or put them for their mouths, they go sleep, they no go wake up. You go turn the pikin to RIP. She know what she did do. On this faithful day, thank God say they come catch her, she come they confess. So make her show na the video of this girl. In case if you don't hear what they talk, I say make I explain what this girl they talk. Then the thing shock me. Now the video be this.
From where? From Obahoda. Can you hang on? Can you hear me? In your area.
It's an iPhone, you give her. I've been a sniper. You give her, made the picking for turn RIP. Now they see the picking face. They see the picking face. He said the person we they give her the team table for picking food, the name na Chisom. 20,000 no.
20,000. Only get 20,000. Can you want hype on?
If you give her 20,000, you go give her half permit the picking go.
On when you kill one lazo. Get a moyama. Get a moyama. Ma watala Chisoma or okay, you could have. Or may you could have. And he decided.
When I see him, Shebona see the video now. Where the girl they confess. So I beg my people, una need to be very careful. Very, very careful. Who una they leave una children for. You see that small girl now. You know go fit believe that girl go fit do that kind of thing. He know because of 20,000 naira. He go put something for pikin. Drink. Make the pikin for turn RIP. Make una dey careful. Now what I just come tell una today. They very, very careful about the place where they live on our children or who you carry pikin give. Very careful. Because this Nigeria matter. You don't tell everybody, things don't change. Everybody want quick money. They don't care how they get the money. Things are very bad. And make una dey cover on our children with the blood of Jesus. So they very careful. Because everything they don't scatter. No small pikin, no grown up. No boy, no girl. Everybody are suspects. If you dey anywhere, just take am for a man. Say everybody we dey in a suspect, and the truth be that. Everybody, both sister or both your brother, anybody we dey near you, everybody is a suspect. If you dey for that country, Nigeria, take am within yourself. Say everybody we near you na suspect. Not believe in anybody. Say no, my brother be this, my sister be this. No. Be careful with all your things. Know how you go to put your things. Know where you go to put your children. Know where you go to put your pikin. Not trust anybody with your pikin. Don't. Because this video shocked me. Say this small pikin, this small girl, you go leave pikin for this small girl. You go first say this small girl go feel poo poison for pikin to drink and sleep and go. Pikin wey person carry for 9 months born, newborn baby, innocent child. So make una dey careful. Then the second video, my sister, if you know say you be mother, my phone number dey there. I no go fit show na this video, but I go play on her phone now a little bit make una see. I no go fit show na this particular video. If you know say you be mother, you get small children, girls children, not give them phone again. Take the phone from their hand. If una know wetin these children they do, una no go believe. If I show una wetin I see, my mouth no fit talk am. 2 girls, 2 family. If they tell una say una pikin never reach to get phone, I no go believe. You say computer life, computer life. These children don't they show nude picture. They don't they naked themselves. They put them for YouTube and Facebook. Children wait there for 6 to 7 years. I get them now. The video dey with me right now. You go dey very careful. They monitor your pikin, like monitor your children. If it's possible not to give them phone. Some people say the children they carry phone go school. If you go school, come back, take the phone for your hand. They always they cross-check waiting the children they do. Some people they say, I go play the video, sha, make it for hear what the guy talk. If they say now what their mother they do, which I not feel support. Some parents as well, I need to talk to them. Some things when they do more allow, me they allow na they see them. Because some parents even contribute. Pikin never reach for some kind of level. Now what make the pikin grow? Calm down. The pikin go grow. He go do gay. He go make nyanga for you. No force am. No start am. Oh yeah. My pikin don't grow. He don't need 7 years. He won't wear earring. He won't wear wig. He won't. Calm down. Because you are not doing this child any good. You are actually spoiling this child. Especially the girls, children. If you know say you be mother and you won't see this video, contact me on my WhatsApp. I go send the video for you. But I'm not going to play the video for my YouTube. Me if you understand waiting at the talk. The calm bad thing where these 6 and 7 years old girls they do with their phone. As they naked themselves, do the thing finish, they come post them for YouTube, post them for Facebook, post them everywhere. So the picture now, the video, they everywhere, but people they don't comment them. But me personally see get them. So as come out, make I call 10 mothers. I beg. If you know so you get picking with your picking, they 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, 9 years, 10 years, 11, 12, up to 13. They monitor their phone. If you give them a phone, take go school, immediately come back, take the phone for your hand. Everything what that picking they do for that phone, they check them. If you know say you must give the picking phone, or if it's possible, take the phone for the picking hand. They never reach to use phone. And mind the kind of thing we go to watch for where your picking day. Yes, it's very, very important. And mind the kind of word we go come for your mouth for where una picking day. It's very important. Make una protect these children. Because if they're from now at 6 to 7 years, begin to they show their naked picture for YouTube or for social media, not to say wahala don't they. That pikin don't waste, it don't go with that. And not be waiting they pray for our children. So the reason why I come out today be say, as a mother, I dey beg una say, put eye. All parents should put eye on their children body. You must put eye on pikin body. Not just come out, I say the pikin. No. 5 years, 6 years never grow. 7 years, 8 years, 9, 10 years to 13, 15. It never grow. They monitor they do. Do I when he pay me for this? I say these children so they under 5, 6, 7 years. And for different family. Some people they make comments saying, now what did their man they do? Now they see do. So mind what you they watch for where you're picking day, and mind the thing we're going to talk for where you're picking day, and they monitor these children because the thing where the children do, I repeat them again, is very, very bad. You personally, you know, if you watch them. But if you know so you be mother, contact me on my number. I go send that for you for WhatsApp. Me if you understand the gravity, the kind of bad thing, the kind of thing that's the worst when they talk about. Because if they talk now, you not go understand what they try to talk. But if you give me your video, if you call me for my WhatsApp, I go send that for you for your WhatsApp. So I mean for sure I give other mothers. Make other mothers for know. Say this thing they exist. Make una careful. Make una put eye for our children body. I go leave on. If you know you never subscribe to my YouTube, as I said, make una not forget to hit the red button when you say subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, I say God bless you. Make una share my video. And if you know so you want this video, what I want to show you so on your WhatsApp, oh yeah, call me. I go send you mothers only mothers. I go show you the video. Thank you guys. May I just play for now. Make una listen. No volume, put volume.
This one a computer word. Don't go sub our phone for her now. You don't post our first nude video online. I also made this video now. When I get the point, I be 2 different sets of guests. Small children we never able up to.
If una watch this video while they watch, so una will cry. But only mothers.
Share this video, go to any WhatsApp group.
Only mothers. Just subscribe for my YouTube. Put your phone number for them. WhatsApp. I go send that for you. Only mothers. I go send you.
Who teach the children this way they do so? Now what did their mama they do or what did they watch for social media? This time around, some children now porn video that they watch this time around. So
I know official now.
When I get the point I be share this video, go to any WhatsApp group.
I know official now the video. So contact me If you contact me for my WhatsApp, I go send a video for you. Only mothers. Because I want make una see am. Make una for understand wetin I dey talk. I beg, the message when I carry come today, put eye for your children body. Especially those ones where you get phone for. Put eye for their body. They monitor their phone. Monitor them. They monitor them. Because these children are computer work. The thing where they know self, you self no know. If you know what this some small picking they do, some children they do, you self will tire. So I beg my brothers and sisters, if you know so you get children, you don't pass 5 years, you don't sabi press phone. Not they laugh, oh. This is a serious matter. Go subscribe for my YouTube, Ada Universe TV. Put your phone number for there. Call me. I know so you be mother. I go send you the video. I beg. I go personally send the video for you. But I no go fit play the video for YouTube, make it for see am, because the thing when I see my mouth, you know go fit to cancel. I like when you see am by yourself, so that you go see show other mothers and see what 6 and 7 years old pikin get children they do by this age. So by the time it turns 16, 18, you go sell out the whole Europe. They go say black people don't start again. So I go leave una today. I go see now for my next video. Don't forget to put your comment down below. Leave your phone number. Subscribe for my YouTube. Make a for sure on the video. Thank you guys. God bless you now. See you tomorrow. Bye.